Welcome back to Better Northwest. I'm Penny Legate. This is a horrifying statistic, but in our country, nearly every hour, someone dies in a drunk driving crash. And during the holidays, those numbers get even worse. With me right now is Chris Davis with the Davis Law Group here in Seattle. Good to see you again, Chris.
Hi, Penny.
And also Marsha Masters, who is with MAD, that is Mothers Against Drunk Driving. I'm sure you've heard of that organization. And she's also Kitsap County's Traffic Safety Task Force Manager. So welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
So Marsha, let me start with you. How bad is the impaired driving problem in our state here in Washington?
Well, it's pretty bad. In Washington State in 2009, there were 492 total fatalities on our highways, roadways, and streets. 265 of those involved a driver that was impaired by alcohol or drugs. So one life lost is one too many.
Yeah, so true. And doesn't our state lead other states in the nation in terms of how high our fatality rates are?
The percentage is pretty high in our state. And our target is 0. We don't want any more fatalities. We don't want any more victims.
Right, so MAD is aiming towards that goal. Tell me what you do to try to educate people or stop this horrifying statistic.
We have done many different things. There's 3 parts to MAD's mission: stop drunk driving, support the victims of this violent crime, and prevent underage drinking. So we do court monitoring, we support victims, we go to court with them, we have candlelight vigils, and we do a lot of programs in the schools, mock crash assemblies, send speakers. We do almost whatever we can to prevent the tragedies.
So, Chris, from the legal point of view, what's the first thing I do if I'm hit by a drunk driver?
Well, automatically, Penny, you need to call the police right away to make sure that the person responsible is apprehended by the police. Second of all, if there's injuries, and frequently there are, you need to make sure that the proper medical attention is received and immediately call an ambulance for your attention.
You know, we know that drunk drivers, that's a criminal offense, so the prosecutors are going to take care of part of that. Do I need an attorney to represent me for civil damages as well?
That's a great question. Yeah, there are basically 2 legal proceedings that may be going on when you're hit by a drunk driver. You mentioned the criminal aspect, and that's handled by the prosecuting attorney. The prosecutor basically focuses on punishing the wrongdoer, or the drunk driver in this particular case. But the prosecuting attorney really is not necessarily going to be looking out for your individual interests as the victim. And by that I mean the damages that you've received in the accident, medical bills, lost earnings, and so forth. If those damages are high enough, it may be worth your while to consult with a private attorney to make sure that those damages are collected from the drunk driver's insurance company.
So, Chris, how can people get more information about your practice?
Well, Penny, let me just first say that we are a huge supporter of MAD and what they do. And we have joined their cause to help remove drunk drivers from our roadways. We also offer free information, specifically books, to help victims, especially those of drunk driving accidents, to learn more about their rights. They can go to our website at davislawgroupseattle.com or call us at 206-727-4000.
I'm sure your support is very important. And Marsha, where can people who want to know more about MAD go to get more information?
Well, we're always looking for volunteers, and of course we'll take we'll take donations all the time. We don't want any more victims, but we'll take volunteers. And they can find us at madwashington.com, or they can call 360-692-4623.
Yeah, keep up the good fight. Let's hope
you.
for a nice, safe holiday season.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you both. More information is at the Cairo website. Just go to cairotv.com, click on the Health Lifestyle tab, and you'll find the Better Northwest page where all this is summarized for you. And we'll be right back.